Both Dow Jones and NASDAQ 100 traded bullish throughout the day yesterday. And yes, we talked about the potential inflection point in Dow Jones, and it has since then traded with a good drop towards the end of the session. Now, what to expect today? Whether it is going to trade bearish or it is going to fly again on the upside, which position we should take in order to profit? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. So, and yes, do not forget to press the bell icon. So do like, share, subscribe and comment. Press the bell icon to keep yourself updated with the next analysis. Next update will be released before the US cash session, exactly 10 hours from now. So watch that also. Now let's start on with first let's have a look at Dow Jones rather. And if you see US 100 trading at 11050 levels. Now these are the hourly charts and it is showing you a potential reversal here. It has got the support at 11040. You can sell at 11040, expect 11,000 first and stronger support. 10970, 10920 are the next support. Below that it is going to trade with a retail drop. Remember, it is trying to trade in this channel on the downside. 10850 levels, 10800 levels, very strong support. Below that it is going to show you extreme bearishness. Directional movement trading above, you can say in the positive territory, and it is trading bullish. Probably it may converge crossover for a sell. Stochastic looking downwards, MACD bearish, RSI looking downwards. Likewise on the 2-hour charts also, it is giving you lower highs, it is giving you lower lows. Potentially, see, yes, you can sell at 11040, but remember 11,000 the maximum support. 10970, 10920 levels are the next support, and below that we may see 10850, 800 levels. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic trading flat. MACD is trading in green, potentially looking forward to converge and crossover and enter into sell side. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts also it is trying to break out, but see, if you connect the dots here, it is still very much in the, or it is still to be considered very much bullish till the time it trades about 10950, 10920 levels. Only below 10920 you can consider it as bearish, and then 10800 levels cannot be denied. Directional movement moderately bullish. Stochastic is trading at the highs. The MACD is willing to converge crossover for a sell. And if you look at the RSI, this is looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, it is giving you lower highs and potentially looking downwards. On the downside, see, it is trying to create a channel of its own. 10850, 800 levels to be very good support. You have to take care of that. Directional movement bullish, stochastic looking downwards. The MACD is bullish trying to converge, and RSI is looking downwards. A potential little drop can be expected, but look at the daily charts. Now, look at the daily charts. Should not consider this as bearish till the time it trades about 10920 levels. I must say, only about 10920, only below 10920, consider this as bearish. Now see the daily charts here. See the previous candle perfectly reversed from the 20 period moving average, and hence only above 11200 you can consider this to be bullish. Rather, one can buy at 11140. So in between 11040 to 11140 do not trade in, and on the downside till 10920 do not consider this as bearish, and below 10920 you can expect 10 850, 800 as the major support, 780 is the major support. Below that it is going to fall or crash strongly. So sell at 11040, buy at 11140, above 11140, 11200, 11250 and then 300. Beyond that 11400, 500 levels are to be seen. You can remain long above 11200 levels any which ways. Directional movement bearish, stochastic rising from the bottom. The MACD is bearish trying to converge, and RSI trading flat. So sell at 040, buy at 11140. On the downside till 10920, do not consider this as bearish. There is a potential for an upward movement. On the upside till 11200, do not consider this as bullish. There is a potential for downside movement. A broader no trade zone is between 10800 to 11200 for positional trades, and for the scalping trades 10 you can say 11040, 11140. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, remember, one point I would like to highlight here is anybody who is asking you for money, that if you invest $100, I'll give you $1,000 in multifold return, $400, $1,000 or $4,000. Likewise, anybody who can give you a promise for a return of multifold on a meager investment, will not ask for you for investment. He will invest his own money and keep growing it consistently. Nobody in the world can do it. Please and please don't get trapped, whether any imposer or fraudster claiming on my name or anyone's name. Please report them to cybercrime. Please don't get trapped. It is your money. You have to keep it secured. We only have two services. One is training, where I want you to become an independent and professional trader, where I teach you the strategies by which you can definitely profit. Second, I have a signal service where I can give you where to buy, where to sell, and what are the targets. Only this much I can support. Beyond that, anybody else claiming anything are all fraudsters. Please, please, please do not get trapped. Now, let's have a look at US 30. Now see, US 30 on the hourly chart certainly giving you lower high and certainly giving you lower lows also. So only buy position today is above 33,150. But remember, 33,200 is the max resistance, and beyond 33,200 you can expect it to rise. On the downside, you can sell there at 33,050. So in between 33,050 and 33,150, do not trade. Even if it trades below 33,050, expect that the first support at 32,900, 950, and then 800. Only below 32,800, I will consider Dow Jones as bearish. Directional movement, bullish trying to converge. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is bearish. See the divergence there. It implies that probably it may increase the divergence, increase the bearishness. RSI looking downwards. Look at the 2-hour charts. It is showing a reversal. Potentially the next candle could be sharp enough, and hence you can stay short till the time it trades below 33,150. You can stay short and expect a little drop. It may achieve lower lows at 32,950, 32,900, 32,850, 800. Till 800, very strong support lies. Only bearishness is below 32,800. Potential of it to bounce back at 32,800 is also exists, and hence you have to take your trades accordingly. Now look at the directional movement. This is giving you a bullish indication, but it is also trying to converge. Stochastic comfortable. The MACD is willing to cross over for a sell entry. Wait for it to cross over. RSI looking downwards. Likewise, on the 3-hour charts, it is giving you a potential breakout indicating bearishness. Potentially, we may see a good drop. If it trades below 32,3050, you can in fact expect 32,800 levels, which is a major support. Only below 32,800, it is going to crash strongly on the downside. Directional movement bullish trying to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a sell. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, lower highs are done. Flat bottom is seen. 33,000 major support, 33,150 major resistance. Below 33,000, again we can see stronger bearishness. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is bullish trying to converge. RSI looking downwards. And if you look at the daily charts, see the bullishness has definitely diminished here. At the same time, one must not forget that the support there at 32,800 is very strong, and it is trying to trade with this within this channel. Yes, you can expect 32,900, 32,800 on the downside. These levels are definitely going to provide a support. Above 33,150, you can expect a rise. So sell at 33,050, buy at 33,150. On the upside, 33,200 maximum resistance. Beyond that, we can expect 33,300, 33,400 levels, and then 33,600. Till 33,600, it has got a stronger resistance, and the potential of drop exists there. Hence, take your trades accordingly. In between 33,050 and 33,150, do not trade. On the larger side, 32,800 the maximum resistance zone. Beyond 32,800, only bearishness will be seen, and hence take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my 17th mentorship batch starting from 28th of November. Keep your seats reserved, book your seats now so that later on you should not regret. This is the last batch for this complete year. Beyond that, the next batch is only going to be in January 23, and then your pledge of trading profitable from January will be, it will be a support to you if you join this last batch for this year. Trade accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.